How do we deal with unexpected challenges throughout the construction process?
We're not saying, okay, we got a mistake and what do you guys want to do about it? We're like, okay, we've come upon something that was unplanned. We've come up with a couple solutions. What are your thoughts here? Do any of these appeal to you more than others? And so we don't present people problems. We present people solutions for the issues that we've come across while building. I like to think that we take care of the problems. We see them coming far enough ahead of time where they're not going to stop the process of the project. And two, we're able to minimize the effect of the problem as well as provide enough solutions to get through it. So I'm just, as we're talking, I'm kind of going through and thinking of all the projects that we've done. And we've never had one of those ones where it was like a huge ordeal, because any of the concerns that were arising were caught soon enough where we were able to mitigate it and minimize it, early on, and just keep moving like nothing had happened.